Hi, I'm Karen Roth, holistic nutritionist. Well, the holidays are upon us, and for some it can be a very stressful time. For others, it can actually be depressing. Stressful in the form of maybe having to meet deadlines at work, and you're trying to get that all done before people start going on vacation. You might start feeling a little depressed if you're missing family or you're away from family. But I just want to share with you my main go-to, which is 5-hydroxytryptophan, or 5-HTP for short. And 5-HTP is converted from tryptophan, and that is an essential amino acid found in animal proteins. So once tryptophan is converted to 5-HTP, then 5-HTP stimulates serotonin. If serotonin is low, it can affect our mood, and when it's balanced, it can promote a healthy mood and give us a sense of well-being. And 5-HTP is fast acting, often having positive results in about 30 minutes. Now, the key thing to remember with 5-HTP is that it needs to be taken with B6, because B6 helps it convert into serotonin. So I like a particular supplement that combines the two, just like Healthy Mood 5-HTP Elite. Now, it should be noted that if someone is on a prescription that treats anxiety or depression, that they should avoid 5-HTP. So if you start feeling low, it might be very beneficial to help stimulate your serotonin. And I want to wish everybody an enjoyable, stress-free holiday season.